Good. I want to go to the next level of complexity by putting more than one point on and selecting more than one thing. So let's put a point here. And what I want to do now is put a vertical line through that point. So with that point selected, right click. So you can see that the right click depends on what you have selected. I have a point selected, and therefore all these things are offered that need a single point, like the circle on radius. So red line. Now can I move this point? Yes. If I do so, the line goes with it, because the line is a dependent object. And it depends on this point. Whereas I cannot move this line. So, if I want to reflect this one in this one, I have to select two objects. This is where no shift for multiple select comes in.
Oh, that one. So this is what you will be doing.
Watch out, if that is still selected, as it might well be, always start a selection by clicking nowhere. If you click nowhere, it cancels all the selections, and we can now click on this fellow here, and this one here, and then right click, reflect. Now you want to start asking questions. You've got a situation here, and what I want to do is select this point. Now the simplest way to select a point on an interactive board is just to drag round it like that, and you've got it. So just drag around. It's much easier than aiming and firing. You might miss and so on.
What did you do with that thing?
There you go. What I want to do is select that point and ask, what would happen if I move this point one to the right? Now, one thing I haven't told you about is this button here. And this button is called equal aspect. Now, as it happens, I've got this window pretty square, so it's all looking pretty good. But my bet is that the teachers who are doing it on their own machines won't have squares here. So it's very important when you're doing something to do with geometry in real space, you should click on this button here, which is the equal aspect. So click on that, rearranges the screen a bit like that. What it does, it leaves the Y where it is and fiddles the X, so that you do indeed have an equal aspect. These are all squares. Does that make sense? I'm going to move this one to the right now. What's going to happen to this fellow here? So this is a little question to ask the students. If that goes one to the right, what's going to happen to this fellow? Now you can actually get this to move one to the right. The best way is to press the right arrow key.
Did you figure out
That's why I want the keyboard to say this, because just press the right arrow key and it should move one to the right.
Oh, look at this.
And if I press the left arrow key, it moves. That moves one to the left, but of course this one has moved two. Now you can show that quite nicely with the scribble tool.
Or the inverse function.
You can just mark that
Yeah,
as a
it
box
does
like
reflection
that.
on the line very easy to do.
This is 2 and this is 2. So when this
So
goes
many
1 to
things.
the right, by pressing 1 to the right, this has gone 2. They've immediately made a teaching point.